control your browser, and you can literally chat to it. This is directly inside NA10, which then leads to a session manager. So it creates a new session under the user profile. From there, it's going to create a new browser window. That's going to process the new session, and then that's going to send a notification to my Slack, right? And so we've logged in with our Slack account. It's going to send a message. You can choose which channel you want to send the Slack message to over here in the add section. And then we've got a simple text message, right? So you can actually edit what you see here. So if we go inside the Slack channel here, you can see that we've got the task, the target, aka the website, the live view, so you can watch it live, and then when it actually got started, all right? So you can see it running there, and then you can choose whether to use Markdown. Now, if you are, for example, posting this inside Slack, you would use Markdown format just so that it reads nicer inside the message, and then that's going to validate the initialization in terms of the window. So when you're doing this as well, what you want to do is create a channel or use an existing one, right? And you just invite your app to the Slack channel, basically using multiple AIs. Like it's not just, for example, using your typical AI agent. Is a very complicated workflow where it's running through AirTop, it's running through Slack, it's connected to multiple different apps, and then it's using this process, right?